Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 4, page number 23, and today's topic is abbreviations. So let's see what is written here. Abbreviations are shortened forms of words or phrases. Learn this list, one to the exercises. So see what is written. AA, Automobile Association, ASAP, as soon as possible. C/O, care of. Debt Department, HRH, His or Her Royal Highness. JP, Justice of the Peace. LTD Limited, MD, Managing Director. MP, Member of Parliament. NA, not applicable or not available. NSPCC, National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children. OHMS, On Her Majesty's Service. RN, Royal Navy. RSPCA, Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. UN, United Nations. TEL, Telephone. So after reading this, we will get some exercises, and according to the rules we have to do it. So see what is written. Write the meaning of the abbreviations in bold type. These are so easy. 1 number, the widow wrote to her MP about her compensation. Here we know what we should write for MP. This is written here, Member of Parliament. So let's write. Here in this place we can write Member of Parliament. Next one, see. The letter was addressed to the sales debt. We know its abbreviation is what? We know this abbreviation is department. So here we will write department. 3 number, an inspector of the NSPCC called to inspect the house. So replace of it we will use what? See, here it is written National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children. From this place we can start. That is National Society for the prevention of cruelty to children. Phone number, Tim's holiday address is CO, Mrs. Baines, 15 High St. Berland. So here we will do for this one what? Care of. So write it here, care of. Next on 5 number, a large crowd gathered to greet HRH Princess Margaret. HRH means what? HRH means, see, here it is written, His or Her Royal Highness. Here we have to write Her Royal Highness. Why? Because here it is written Princess Margaret. So let's write here in this place Her Royal Highness. Next one, the matter has been reported to the RSPCA. What will be here? We know RSPCA, Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So here we will write Royal Society for the prevention of cruelty to animals. Next one, please reply ASAP. ASAP, what does it mean? See, as soon as possible. So here we will write replace of ASAP, as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Next one, the warrant for the arrest of the culprit was signed by AJP. What does it mean? Justice of the peace. Here we will write justice of the peace. Of the peace. Next one, B number exercise. Here give the meaning of each abbreviation in bold type. 1 number, on the note paper was printed Tilbury 2385. So replace of this one we will write what? Telephone. We know here it is written telephone. So let's write telephone. Telephone. Next one, no postage is payable on letters and parcels sent OHMS. So what does it mean? OHMS we will write on Her Majesty's service. On Her Majesty's service. Next one, 3 number, the building of the RN barracks at Devonport was begun in 1879. Replace of RN we will write Royal Navy. Royal Navy. Next one, phone number. See, the AA was founded in London in 1905. So replace of AA we can write Automobile Association. Automobile Association. Both Britain and America are members of the UN. We know UN means United Nations. United Nations. Last one from this exercise, Mom's company has a new MD. We know replace of MD we have to put managing director. Managing director. 3 number, use your dictionary to find out what these abbreviations stand for. These are not written here. In this place you will not get it. From the dictionary you can write it. I am writing here. You can take help from this place. Facts. For this we can write facsimile. A-S-I-M-I-L-E. For GP we can write general practitioner. General practitioner. For RIP we can write rest in peace. Rest in peace. For anon we can write anonymous. Last one, HQ. This is so easy. I think you know this all. That is headquarter. headquarters. So this is all today. Today we have already finished one chapter on page, that is page number 23 from book 4, means from Junior English book 4, and today's topic abbreviations. Next day we will do page number 24. There we will find a comprehension. Bye for today.